Sa lesson natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin yung Illustrating Triangle Congruence. Week 3 ng ating quarter 3. Sa ating learning competencies, we will illustrate triangle congruence. And our objectives are list down the corresponding congruent triangles, identify the congruent triangles wherein the congruent corresponding parts are given and vice versa, identify the properties of congruence. So kapag sinabi natin congruent, equal yun, parehas. Two triangles are congruent if the measure of their sides and the angles are equals. Ibig sabihin, yung kilid niya, yung opening, equal parehas. So, angles are congruent if they have the same measure. Bawa, angle ng isang triangle is 60, 40, and 80. Isa ganun din, 60, 40, 80. Kapag equal silang lahat, yung corresponding angles, congruent triangle yon. Sa segments naman or sides, kapag same length, yung mga sides ng dalawang triangle, equal din sila, congruent din yung dalawang triangle. So, ang symbol na ginagamit natin sa congruence ay ganito. Example, angle A is congruent on angle B. Ibig sabihin nun, ang measure ng angle A, kung ano man yun, is equal sa measure ng angle B. Say, 60 degrees. 60 degrees din yung B. Line segment AB is congruent on line segment CD. Sabihin, if the measure of AB is 4 units or centimeters, the measure of line segment CD is also 4 centimeters. So, ito yung description. Each of the congruence is a congruence between geometric figures. Each of the equations on the right is an equation between numbers. Ibig sabihin, kung may value ng x, pwede natin ma-solve because we have this equality or equal sign. For our exercise 1, list down the corresponding parts of the given congruent triangles on the right by completing the table. So, y, or angle y, ito yon, opening. And angle v, ito, yun ang kanilang vertices. So, alin dyan ang angles? So, ito yon. So, TVU is congruent on WYX. So, lalagyan nyo lang ng ganito. Angle TVU is congruent on angle WYX. Sa sides naman, pwede nating sabihin na TU is congruent on WX. Dahil yung katapat na side ng angle V is line segment TU. Yung katapat na side ng angle Y is line segment WX. Kaya nasagot dito. Number 3, ang meron namang given ngayon ay yung angles. VTU. Itong opening ng T. And then YXW. Ito naman opening. So, alin doon ang vertices? So, angle T or T is congruent on angle X. Sa sides naman, VTU, ang katapat niya ay UV. So, line segment UV is congruent on WY. So, UV, line segment UV is congruent on line segment WY. Triangle congruence, kung may correspondence tayo na ABC, sabihin yung triangle sisimula sa A and then point B, point C, and then DF between the vertices of two triangles. If every pair of corresponding sides are congruent and every pair of the corresponding angles are congruent, then the correspondence ABC DEF is called a triangle congruence. Ito example natin. Ayan. So kapag daw mayroon tayong ABC and DEF, then they are correspondence of each other. Ibig sabihin, yung line segment daw ng AB at line segment ng DE is congruent. Line segment ng AC and line segment DF is also congruent. Line segment BC and line segment EF is also congruent. Then, the two triangles are congruent. Ito naman sa angle. Angle A is congruent on angle D. Angle B is congruent on angle E. Angle C is congruent on angle F. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, iba-ibang guhit para hindi sila magmukhang pare-parehas. So, sa angle A, isa. So, angle B, dalawa. Ganoon din sa kabila, dalawa. And then sa CI, tatlo. Sa FI, tatlo. Para ma-distinguish natin yung pagkakaiba-iba, yung congruence nila sa isa't isa. So, kapag ganyan daw, congruent yung dalawang triangle. Ito yon, pag pinagsama-sama, we write triangle ABC is congruent on triangle DEF to mean that the correspondence ABC DEF is a congruence. For our exercise 2, choose the correct answer based on the following figures shown below. Write only the letter of the correct answer. So, number 1, complete the length of the sides of these congruent triangles. So, may 3.1, 1.5, 4.6. Kung mapapansin nyo, dapat congruent yung dalawang triangles. So, ibig sabihin, dapat yung line segment nila equal sa isa't isa. So, 4.6 4.6, 1.5, 1.5. Ang nawawala ay 3.1 inches. Kaya ang sagot ay letter A, 3.1 inches. Dito naman, if these triangles are congruent, what should be the length of side A? So we have line segment C, side A, side B. Alin kaya dyan yung magiging A? So kung 5, ito yon. Kung 2, ito yon. At kung C, ayan, 3.7. Sige, hanapin nyo na lang. If these triangles are congruent, what should be the angle of A? So ito yon. So kung mapapansin nyo, 90 to, automatic, 90 rin po ito. Dahil yun ang kanyang longest side. And then, yung ito, A, katapat niya ay 65. So, pwede siyang 65. Diba? At yung B ay 25. Which among the sets shows the correct marking in representing triangle congruence? Ayan. So, kung sabi ko sa inyo kanina, dapat magkakaiba itong markings na ito. So, dito sa kabila, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dito ay 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. So, letter B ang sagot. If these triangles are congruent, what should be the length of side C? So, side C ay side B ay 2, side A ay 3, side C ay 4. Okay, itong ating references.